I should have seen Bradley's warning signs. He was a good salesperson, but maybe not suited for management.
I brought in some state-of-the-art content. Lecture videos, voice-over PowerPoint, webinars, books on tape. Yeah. Sales is simple. Get people to say yes. Pete, what's your go-to strategy?
Well, first, I like to establish a rapport with my customers. So
Wrong. Beth?
I make sure that they understand the product so that when we're
Nathan?
Lower prices.
Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations, Nathan. You are also wrong. Yeah, I could tell that the team needed some training. Gang, back when I was the top seller for this company, all I had to say was, here's my product, here's my price. And people bought from me. You know why?
Because the economy was exploding and product was mandated by the government and we were the only provider in the region.